Since the decisions to engage in e-bikes years ago, YOSE Power has been determined to produce firm and durable all-terrain e-bikes. Now, we are honored to present the YOSE Power affordable electric bike with all the highlighted features, excellent branded parts and some of our exciting design ideas. The YOSE Power affordable electric bike is my favorite design. It's also integrated with global branded parts and components in high quality, ensuring that our users have the best riding performance and experience. The bike frame is designed especially for European users' physical proportions. High-quality aluminum alloy 6061 frame with pearl white or iron gray. Simple frame construction with internal wiring. You can turn up the saddle and take out the battery easily. Integrated foam saddle, more lighter and comfortable during riding. Aluminum alloy handlebar, intuitive folding mechanism, allows the bike to fold and unfold in seconds. Fast folding in 3 steps and 10 seconds, easily to put into trunk for diversified travels. The saddle can be folded up or completely removed with seat post. The pedals can also be folded to minimize width. YOSE Power foldable electric bike is equipped with aluminum alloy front forks with hydraulic suspension. Preloaded suspension forks are specially developed for folding bikes to ensure optimum performance. 20 lux headlight ensures safety and brightly driving in low light conditions. 20-inch anti-skid tires, quick release cable, easy to change accessories. Shimano 7-speed shift, switch freely. Mechanical disc brakes can brake safely on complex roads. Luggage rack, spring seat post, ergonomic handle, get saddle and adjustable handlebar. YOSE Powered 250 watts rear motor, new magnetic steel and optimized internal design. The engine runs at high speed with tiny noise. Bigger torque guarantees more efficient and powerful performance. Wondful cooperation between motor and battery can help you to ride with less force, but farther and faster. Option better riding feel is equipped with 36 volts, 13 ampere hours, 480 watts-hours battery, original battery cells, intelligent beams, multiple protections to guarantee safety, stable and powerful output, promotes 30% mileage more. The controller can provide continuously 15 ampere maximum with sine wave, more silent and efficiency. 3 power assist modes, 5-speed gears, can meet multiple scenarios, freely speeding and powerful. More intelligent assistance technology provides you more suitable power output. Furthermore, YOSE Power foldable bike also includes LCD display, which can show the power, speed, total mileage, and so on, with Bluetooth function. Smart app can provide all important information, convenient to know your e-bike completely. Easy to control, cooler to look, and safer to ride is YOSE Power everlasting aim for your new bike experience. Thank you for watching and enjoy your ride with YOSE Power foldable bike series. See you soon on the next exciting race.